The Cat and the Mouse. Once there was a cat who lived in a house where there was mice. He always tried to chase them down and catch them to eat them, but because his owners never had the time to feed him. He tried and tried and tried, but the mice always outran him.
One day, the cat thought of an idea. He decided to go hang on the coat rack upside down and pretend to be dead. The mouse came out and he sniffed the cat and decided that it was just a trick, and he went back to his hole.
After that, the cat kept pacing around the room for days, weeks, months, and years, but he couldn't figure out what he was going to eat. Then, one day, he died of starvation.
After a while, the mouse came out and sniffed the cat. Afterward, he ran around the cat singing a happy song of joy and then went back to his mouse hole. One day, there was a tombstone in the place of where the cat was. The mouse started eating the tombstone, thinking that it was old gray cheese. After a long time, there was nothing left, and the mouse was so fat he couldn't even get back in his hole.
The moral of the story is tricking somebody doesn't always fix a problem.